In this video, I want to share all the anchorages we stayed during 8-day sailing of French Polynesia. We sailed 3 islands in French Polynesia, Raiatea, Tahaa, and Bora Bora. Dropping anchor is allowed in Raiatea and Tahaa, but not in Bora Bora. Instead, there are 5 mooring fields with plenty of mooring balls for you to pick up in Bora Bora Lagoon. All the mooring balls are managed by Bora Bora Mooring Service. You can pick up any available mooring ball and stay overnight. BBMS will come to your boat to collect the fee. You could also call them ahead to reserve your spot. On the top of our list is Bora Bora East. The mooring field is at the southeast corner of Bora Bora. To reach this mooring field, we sailed through the shallow water of Bora Bora North and East, since the south is too shallow for any sailboat to pass. With the perfect blue water in all directions and Mount Altamanu as the backdrop, this is one of the most beautiful places we've ever been to, and certainly our favorite anchorage. This place is just a short dinghy ride to all the activities you want: snorkeling in an aquarium, swimming with reef sharks and stingrays, parasailing, jet ski, swimming, kayaking. My personal favorite, just sit there and take it all in. Or Katie's favorite, a magnificent sunrise like no other. Facing east, with Mount Altamanu in our backyard, Bora Bora East has everything we could ask for. The next anchorage on our list is also in Bora Bora. It's on the west side of Bora Bora Lagoon, south to the entrance, and west to Motu Mahaya. This anchorage is one of favorites among cruisers due to its easily accessible location. We stayed here twice in 2 different days. Rest assured, this became our new favorite launch spot. Reef sharks and stingrays are around all year long, near the reef side in the shallow water. Sometimes in the deeper area, if you are lucky, you could even spot manta rays. We absolutely love this next anchorage, which is Coral Garden in the island of Tahaa, facing west across the sea from Bora Bora. Not so far away, a perfect backdrop, is Mount Altamanu. You can drop the anchor either on the south or the north side of Coral Garden. We did both and prefer the south side. Coral Garden in Tahaa is one of the best snorkeling places in French Polynesia. Besides snorkeling and swimming, we had our best time kayaking around, especially reached the barrier reef. That's something we always wanted to do. This is also the best place we found to watch amazing sunset and sunrise at the same spot. We stayed in this anchorage 3 separate nights, not only because it's an amazing place, but also it's just north to past Pai Pai, a convenient stop before we sailed to Bora Bora, and after we came back from Bora Bora to Tahaa. The last but not the least, the last night before we returned the boat. This next mooring field is in front of iconic Bora Bora restaurant Bloody Mary, with a private dock leading to the restaurant. It's a popular mooring site. Plenty of mooring boats are available to pick up. Just be aware, it could be a little windy overnight. Unlike Virgin Islands, the mooring boats in Bora Bora have no pennants, so I just picked up the mooring boat itself. With cleats on the crossbeam, it's pretty easy to tie the bridle. In Bora Bora, all the mooring boats are managed by Bora Bora Mooring Service. You just pay the fee and stay overnight. However, Bloody Mary is such a unique restaurant, we wouldn't miss it. Dinner starts at 6 just after the sunset. It's better to call ahead to reserve a table, since it's a very popular restaurant. Bloody Mary has a fantastic private dock for dinghy and even for catamarans. We had a great time there. Bloody Mary has an island-style wood decoration. A very laid-back restaurant with tables in the sand. Instead of a menu, all the local fishes and the meat catch of the day are laid on the table for us to choose. Chef introduced the dishes and cooked them after we made our choice. This next anchorage is at Motu Mahaya on the east side of island Tahaa. With the unobstructed view facing east, you can see the island of Hawaii not so far away. This anchorage with a white sand bottom, just north to the lagoon entrance, is one of ideal anchorages before sailing to Hawaii. We stayed here the first night in French Polynesia and watched an epic sunrise. Bora Bora Yacht Club mooring field is the first anchorage we saw after entering the Bora Bora Lagoon. Due to its convenient location, it's a crowded mooring field. A couple of boats arrived just behind us had to leave since all the mooring boats were taken. Make sure you check all the area, especially near the shore. We missed an obvious mooring boat right in front of the yacht club. We picked up the last mooring boat available from the stern during a thunderstorm. We visited the yacht club, had a fantastic dinner and a wonderful evening. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Thank you.